Hello people, and welcome to Crypto Exposed. Institutional adoption of Hedera just hit another major milestone. DeFi Technologies' asset management arm, Valor Funds, has secured $11 million in fresh institutional investment into Hedera ETPs. That breaks down to $10 million on Germany's Börse Frankfurt and $1 million on Sweden's Spotlight Exchange. This is serious institutional capital flowing into regulated, exchange-traded exposure to HBAR. So, if you like the sound of this, don't forget to like and subscribe for future HBAR content, and let's break down exactly what happened and why it's a big deal for Hedera's institutional narrative. The news dropped directly from DeFi Technologies. Their asset management business, Valor Funds, confirmed two separate institutional transactions totaling $11 million. These buys were originated through DeFi Technologies' recent Abu Dhabi symposium. A clear sign that high net worth allocators and institutions are actively seeking regulated ways to get exposure to Hedera. The investments went straight into Valor's existing Hedera ETP products, which trade on established European exchanges. This gives sophisticated investors easy, compliant access to HBAR without needing to hold the token directly or navigate crypto wallets. Here's why this is significant. ETPs, or exchange-traded products, are the European equivalent of ETFs, highly regulated, transparent, and accessible through traditional brokerage accounts. Institutions love them because they fit neatly into existing portfolios, come with proper custody, and meet strict compliance standards. Valor Funds has been one of the early movers offering dedicated Hedera ETPs. This $11 million inflow directly boosts their assets under management in Germany and Sweden and shows growing demand for regulated HBAR exposure. The company also highlighted the signaling power of their DVIO index, their proprietary market intelligence tool that helps identify digital assets gaining real traction with sophisticated allocators. Hedera is clearly checking those boxes right now. This news comes right on the heels of other major Hedera ecosystem wins we've recently covered. Tokenized institutional funds with KO and on-chain perpetual futures with HBank. What we're seeing is a clear pattern. Infrastructure, real yield products, trading tools, and now direct institutional capital inflows through traditional finance channels. Institutions aren't just testing Hedera anymore. They're allocating real money into regulated products that track it. That's a very different level of conviction compared to speculative retail flows. Plus, executing these deals through the Abu Dhabi symposium shows DeFi Technologies is actively building relationships with global allocators who want crypto exposure, but only through familiar, regulated wrappers. Of course, $11 million is still early stage in the grand scheme of institutional capital, but directionally it's very positive. It reinforces that Hedera is being taken seriously as a long-term infrastructure play by traditional money managers. These ETPs provide a clean on-ramp for European institutions that may not be ready for direct on-chain activity yet, but still want exposure to one of the fastest growing enterprise blockchains. Expect to see more AUM growth in Valor's Hedera products if this trend continues, especially as more tokenized real-world assets and DeFi tools launch on the network. So, another institutional vote of confidence for Hedera and HBAR. Valor Funds and DeFi Technologies are quietly bridging TradFi and digital assets in a way that actually moves the needle. So, what do you think? Is this the start of bigger institutional flows into Hedera ETPs? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you did like this video, please remember to like and subscribe so you can be updated for future HBAR content. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be alerted on when I do drop a new video. Thank you very much for watching this, and I'll see you all on the next one.